Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about the mass and density. There are two common but very important physics concepts. First, let's start with the math. Mass is the amount of matter an object contained. It tells us how much the stuff is in something. The unit of mass is usually kilograms or grams. It is an inherent property. It doesn't change no matter where you are on Earth, the moon, or in space. For example, 1 kilogram block of iron has has the same mass everywhere, so its weight differ will be different because the gravity changed. Mm, uh, Second, let's talk about the density. The density describes how the tiny matter is packed together, and its definition is the density is equal to the mass divided by uh, volume, and its unit is kilograms per cubic meters or grams per cubic centimeters. For example, if you have a block of iron and a block of wood of the same size, the iron feels um, much heavier because it has a greater density. So, like, so what's the difference of different between them? The mass tell us how much the stuff there is. Well, the density tells us how tightly the stuff is packed. They are both very useful in our real life. In science and engineering, knowing the density helps us design ships or submarines and even identify the materials. For instance, wood floats and iron sink because they have different densities. In medicine, body density is used to estimate body's fat percentage. In daily life, we see it when comparing something like cartoons and rocks, same size but very different mass because their density is totally different. Right? To sum up, mass shows how much matter the object has, and the density shows how tightly it's packed. Together, we help us understand the measure the physical world around us. And thank you for listening. Those other things in this video.